Hello students, welcome to my channel Educatum. আজি আমি discuss কৰিম meaning of poverty and causes of poverty. First of all, meaning of poverty. Poverty refers to a state or condition in which a person or community lacks the financial resources and essentials for a minimum standard of living. In other words, poverty is the condition of having insufficient income to meet basic needs such as food, clothing, and shelter. So, যোনবিলাক মানুহে তেওঁলোকৰ basic needs খিনি fulfill কৰিব নোৱাৰে such as food, clothing, and shelter, those are the poor person. তেওঁলোককে poverty বুলি কোৱা হয়. So, there are various definitions of poverty, and these are according to Ian Robertson, poverty is the inability to maintain minimum standard of food, clothing, shelter, and healthcare. According to Goddard, poverty is insufficient supply of those things which are required for an individual to maintain himself and those dependent upon him in health and vigor. Another one definition is, according to World Bank 1990 has defined poverty as the inability to maintain a minimal standard of living. So these are the meaning and definition of poverty. Now comes to causes of poverty. So there are various causes. বিভিন্ন কাৰণ আছে poverty হোৱা. Some of them are discussed below. Increasing price rise. So first is increasing price rise. যেতিয়া আমাৰ price বাঢ়ে, increase হয়, তেতিয়া আমাৰ poor people যোনবিলাক poverty লাইনৰ হয় তেওঁলোকৰ কাৰণে অসুবিধা হয় to find it difficult to get their minimum needs. Therefore, increasing price rise is one of an important cause of poverty. Next is low agricultural productivity. Due to low agricultural productivity, poverty arises because lack of sources. আমাৰ lack of sources হোৱাৰ কাৰণে illiteracy হোৱাৰ কাৰণেও আমাৰ illiteracy about modern farming technology হোৱাৰ কাৰণেও আমাৰ poverty arise হয়. Next cause to হৈছে unemployment. An increasing rate of unemployment is another cause of poverty. The amount of job seekers are increasing at much higher than that of employment opportunity. The amount of job seekers are increasing at much higher than that of employment opportunity. Job seeker বেছি employment opportunity হলেও poverty হয়. Next is high illiteracy rate. Illiterate person would not be able to participate in the employment opportunity in different sectors of the both urban and rural areas. So এজন illiterate personৰ যোনখিনি knowledge থাকিব লাগে তেওঁ সেইখিনি knowledge নথকাৰ কাৰণে knowledge and skill নথকাৰ কাৰণেও poverty হয়. So next is rapid increase of population. আমাৰ জনসংখ্যা বাঢ়িলেও আমাৰ poverty হয়. Next is inflation. Inflation means আমাৰ যেতিয়া যিকোনো বস্তু এটা commodity like food gains বাঢ়ে তেতিয়া আমাৰ poor people সেই বস্তুটো কিনিবলৈ অসুবিধা হয়. Because suppose এটা বিস্কুট যদি 10 টকা হয় তাৰ যদি ডিমাণ্ড বাঢ়ে বিস্কুটটো তেতিয়া এমাহৰ পাছত সেই বিস্কুটটো প্ৰাইচ বাঢ়িব. ধৰি লওক 10 টকা আছিলে আগতে এতিয়া ধৰি লওক 15 টকা হ'ল. কিন্তু যোনবিলাক দুখীয়া মানুহ যোনবিলাক poor people যোনবিলাক poverty হয় তেওঁলোকে সেই বস্তুটো কিনিবলৈ অসুবিধা হ'ব. So inflationৰ কাৰণেও poverty হয়. Next cause is rural indebtedness. Condition of unemployment and lack of available resources compels the people of rural areas to borrow money from unorganized sector at high rate of interest. This rural indebtedness is one of the important causes of poverty in rural areas. In rural areas, unorganized sector পৰা কিছুমান মানুহে money borrow কৰে আৰু সেই মনিখিনি তেওঁলোকে unorganized sector at high rate of interest দিবলগীয়া হয়. So তাৰ কাৰণেও poverty cause হয়. Lack of capital and entrepreneurship. Lack of capital and entrepreneurship হলেও আমাৰ পভাৰ্টি এৰাইজ হয় নেক্সট ইজ লেক অফ infrastructure facilities like education health energy and transport leads to slower growth and also generate the situation of poverty lack of infrastructure facilities like education health energy হলেও যোনটো আমাৰ শ্লোৱাৰ গ্ৰথত যোনটো আমাৰ যায় so তাৰ কাৰণেও poverty generate হয় next is war another one of an important cause of poverty is war due to war আমাৰ যুদ্ধৰ পৰা আমাৰ কিছুমান infrastructure facility institution production এইবিলাক আমাৰ damage হয় so তাৰ কাৰণেও poverty হয় Okay, next cause is social factors. Apart from economic factors, social factors also one of an important cause of poverty due to the decent rules of caste system, some customs, traditions, and all obligation. Therefore, social factor is also one of an important cause of poverty. Next is climatic factors. So, flood, earthquake, এইবিলাক আহিলে আমাৰ যোনবোৰ এগ্ৰিকালচাৰ চেক্টৰ হয় তাত ডেমেজ হয় তাৰ কাৰণেও আমাৰ পভাৰ্টি এৰাইজ হয় so these are some of the important causes of poverty আৰু তোমালোকে যদি মোৰ ভিডিঅ' চাই ভাল পালা লাইক কৰিবা শ্বেয়াৰ কৰিবা আৰু ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিবা থেংক ইউ